Hey y'all. Hi.
And some salad.
You have
I
salad?
don't even put lettuce, bro.
Yes, I have lettuce.
I don't got lettuce.
I don't got lettuce.
What? No.
Why
Give it a
me?
one? Gosh, I should have.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl A.ESTHER.K and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see, today is gonna be a different video. We're gonna be trying the new chicken sandwich from Popeyes. It's new in Windsor, like where we live. So we're about to try it. We heard people say that it's not as good, but we're gonna try it ourselves. And
apparently.
yeah, exactly. So we're gonna try it and then we'll film. Oh, we just gotta find a place to sit and eat. But we'll film and then yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it to your friends. Peace out. Shout yourself out.
My IG is Cassandra. No, that's it. It's Queen Doll. IG.
Ryan, no.
Alright, it's gonna be in the description down below. Okay, how do I put this? Chicken is big, yo.
That's what I'm saying. Like, it's like. Y'all want barbecue? Barbecue?
That's what your mom. You guys are taking forever, fam.
Chill. I got chill. You were the one that said you weren't even hungry.
I'm not hungry. But like,
how
there's
big
food in
this
front of me. Like.
Okay.
It's nice on the guys.
Why is the bun like this?
Okay.
They didn't even see you, bro.
So, alright, ready?
I'll go on.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Kind of empty.
What? Empty?
Yeah, it's like
But this
breading.
one.
No, it's not bad.
Yeah.
Tastes kind of like just bread.
Yes,
Like,
bread.
there's not much chicken. That's what I'm trying to say.
There's not much chicken?
Yeah, it's just like the breading.
I need to try it again, bro.
Hold on. Why is beef go? No, why me?
Yo, go to Boston Pizza. Shit's better than this.
There's nothing crazy about it. It's not like.
Yeah, I don't see the hype about it.
I think I didn't put enough, like.
All they literally put in the is
literally
mayo,
chicken sandwich.
chicken, and pickles.
And some salad.
There's no salad.
Yeah, bro.
I didn't have no
You
salad.
have
I don't
salad?
even put lettuce, bro.
Yes. I have lettuce.
I don't got lettuce.
I don't got lettuce. Come on, like, what the fuck?
You just ruined the chicken. It's not even a chicken sandwich no more.
That's a barbecue sauce sandwich.
That's a homemade sandwich. I didn't know why they had to do it so big though.
At least it's not like those commercials that are like really big and then you come with some mess from sauce.
Well, it's actually not that bad to be honest.
It's not.
I don't know if it's because I'm hungry, but
Definitely because you're hungry.
They flavor the chicken.
That's what I'm saying.
without
Yeah.
any sauce, it doesn't. Yeah.
And it's like,
Yeah.
I swear you can't feel it.
Like, you can't.
I get what you're saying though.
It's
Like,
like airy.
yeah, like. All I feel is pickles, so.
Yeah, I took out my pickle because literally that's all I.
That's all I taste. Pickles in my barbecue sauce. How would you rate this chicken? A 6. A 6? Yeah. What? No. Why
Give it a
me?
1?
Gosh, I should have
A
said
6? Alright, 6, 6.
Could be trash, you know.
Yeah, I think 6 too.
Honestly, I tasted better, so 5.
5?
Yeah.
5 is 50-50.
I know, but it's not like close to like.
Yeah, I would never go and get this again.
Yeah, me either.
Maybe
My
the other
first
shit is
and
like.
last time trying this.
Bro, like, the junior chicken slaps way more than this.
Yeah.
Are all my Canadians? Bro? Like, come on. If I'm gonna have fried chicken for kids.
Yeah, KFC. KFC is way too salty for me.
Salty?
Where? Oh no. No, that's Burger King. Never mind. No, sorry. Burger King sells chicken. I like them bags though. Them bags be
People are hyping it too much.
not stylish though.
I like the bags though. Like, you really after the bags. People hype Popeyes because of their fries.
The fries
They're
are
good
good,
for
yeah.
y'all. What fries?
Really gonna
I put garbage on top of my fries.
You have some fries in there. Oh, guys. I didn't even see that.
This guy's just shit.
What?
You didn't see that?
I saw it, but
You saw it?
you said you didn't see that?
You didn't see it?
No, I didn't see it. You know what he said? You didn't? She don't even know what you said.
He
I
took
think
that
I heard.
shit.
No, but I saw.
That's what he said. He
You
shot.
can't even go. You just
Oh, okay.
So we finished
The
eating.
burgers.
It's gonna be a long
And
ass
to
shit.
be honest, what do you guys think about it?
It wasn't special.
Don't buy that shit.
Literally, all what was in it was chicken, pickles, and mayo.
Apparently she got lettuce.
I got
but
lettuce.
We didn't get
Yeah,
lettuce.
we didn't get lettuce.
So that's a 6. I said 5.
Yeah, I said 5. I said 6. And I'm gonna give them the extra point. 6.
Yeah. Cause like, I mean,
C'est my job.
it's not bad.
Like,
No, but the chicken is like this thick. Like how?
What's wrong with having
Yeah.
No, there's barely any seasoning as well.
True.
There probably isn't any.
Yeah, you have to add like a lot of garlic, but not
Sauce.
too much.
So, in
But the-
conclusion, fries slaps. Fries.
We didn't like.
Oh, I
we
thought you
weren't
said the
here for
fries.
fries though.
No, fries. Yeah, Popeyes fries are good, but like
I mean,
apparently you can't go there only for fries, so don't go there.
yeah, cause why are you gonna go somewhere just for the side? Like,
I don't know. Like, I would if I lived close. Then yes, I would.
You're gonna live, drive 5 minutes for fries.
it's only if you can walk to get fries. Then,
Like,
okay.
No, bro, you don't leave your house for fries. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, no, but if it's super
No, but
close.
okay, look.
But
If you
super
have like,
close.
to be
You
honest, I
get
have
the burger at McDonald's.
On a journey like that, go to McDonald's.
go to McDonald's and then
Fries.
say, yes.
No.
If it's close, yeah.
I've never went to McDonald's. just
No,
for
you
fries.
never do that? I always do that. Like, I get the salad at one place and then I go to this place for like poutine or something. Because I just like them stuff. I'm not just
Oh,
gonna
you get like separate.
Yeah,
I
because
did that once.
I don't like those poutine over there, so I just get it over there. And then the salad over here is trash, so I have to get it over there. So,
Yeah.
anyways, in conclusion, don't buy it. Actually, you can if you want to.
If
but
you want to try
if you
it,
go ahead.
buy it.
But it's not worth it. It's like this. It's not like this, not like this. But
It ain't special.
so maybe I might try it again in the States, but we'll see.
Yeah, maybe the States is better.
Maybe the States is better.
Don't say it's medium. Trash, bro. I wouldn't go
Okay,
there.
why did you say 6 if it's trash?
Because like, it's like when you rate women. If it's a 6, it's already trash, no? 7 is like when you're okay. Anything above that, you're good. 6 is already bad, no?
No.
That is
really.
below 5.
Yeah, below
Yeah.
5.
You guys rate people below 5?
Y'all?
That's just being mean.
No, I don't.
You don't?
Nah, this is rude. Like,
Exactly.
Yeah, we're not talking about people. So, I think that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We out.
peace.